Aloha, everyone. This is your 1 minute presentation on some of the benefits of make money online passively with this startup program I wrote for beginners. Okay, so that's how fast I'm trying to say this. And I talk a lot, so I got to try and do this in 1 minute. So, one benefit, if you look at this, uh, the primary sites come from ClickBank. You get 50 to 75% commission. You get a special link. Uh, you get your own website address, not a partial website address, although I do have that in the economy version. And each one of these does not go to an affiliate page. In other words, this is not an affiliate link. It My program actually generates its own link. And that's important for SEO, search engine optimization reasons. And we're going to share more later on. Aloha. Good day.